We were doing exponent and power 12.2 exercise. Last question is pending. So let's complete that question. In a stack, there are 5 books, each of thickness 20 millimeter. Thickness of one book, thickness of one book, (20 millimeter). Thickness of 5 books, 20 into 5, that is 100 millimeter. Next is thickness of 5 paper sheets, 5 into 0.016 millimeter. The thickness of one sheet is this much. So you have to find the thickness of 5 sheets. So that's why you will multiply it. What happened?
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम। मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही। माइक नहीं लगाया शायद।
माइक लगाया है मैंने, ये देखो।
मैम बहुत स्लो आ रही है।
वेट, इज इट ओके नाउ?
मैम नो
नो, जस्ट वेट, वेट। So let's multiply this 5 with this. 16 5s are 80. This is 0.080 millimeter. Now what you have to do is you have to find the total thickness of the stack. Stack is a pile of books in which 5 books are kept and 5 paper sheets are there. So you have to find the total thickness of the sheets. Total thickness. What you will do for total thickness, you will add them 100 plus 0.080 millimeter. You will add them 100.080 mm. Now you will convert this into standard form, because whenever the decimal number is here, you have to convert it into standard form. 1.00080. Decimal we have shifted to 2 places, so it will be 10 raised to power 2 millimeter. Is it okay? Is it clear? Note it down, and we are going to start with the next chapter after this question. Just note it down. Now we are going to start with the next chapter, that is chapter number 11, mensuration. So in this chapter, we will do 3rd and 4th exercise only. So before starting the 3rd and the 4th exercise, let's discuss some formulas that are related to this chapter. Now the first thing is cuboid. Yes, one thing I want to tell you here is square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, all these are 2D shaped figures that are called 2-dimensional shapes that can be drawn easily on the plane surface. They have 2 dimension, length and breadth only. That's why they are called 2D shapes. But there are solid shapes that are known as solid figures. They have 3 things: length, breadth and height. They have 3 dimension, length, breadth and height. And the shapes that are solid, you will be able to find their volume as well. Like I am standing in a room, it is in the form of the cuboid. It is having certain length, breadth and height. That's why it is in the shape of the cuboid. Whenever a plane surface rectangle is there and you will raise the height of this, it will become a solid shape. पहले ये plane surface था ना, plane figure थी. जब आप उसकी height raise कर दोगे to some extent, then it will become a cuboid and it will become a solid shape. And in case of a solid shape, you can easily find their length of the sides, that is perimeter, or you can say length of the boundaries, and areas and volume. But in case of 2D shape, you will always be finding their perimeter and areas only. Got it? So please write down this detail, write down. पहले जो मैं लिख रही हूँ वो आप नोट करो, उसके बाद हम चैप्टर का स्टार्ट करते हैं. 2-dimensional figures. Figures that have only length and breadth are called 2D shapes. Example: square, rectangle, parallelogram, etc. Three-dimensional shapes. चलिए लिख लो. Write down. Three-dimensional shapes are having length, breadth, and height. Three-dimensional shapes are having length, breadth, and height. So they are called 3D shapes. So they are called 3D shapes or solid shapes. So they are called 3D shapes or solid shapes. Example: cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, etc. Yes, write down. Next, we are starting with the main topic. We are discussing about the solid shape cuboid. We are discussing about cuboid. So firstly, you will draw one cuboid, you will draw one rectangle, and you will draw another rectangle that will be overlapping this, not exactly, but few portion of that. So when you join their corners, that will give you cuboid. So this is the length, this is the breadth, and this is the height. So you will write here curved surface area. Curved surface area. Curved surface area means area of 4 walls. As you all are sitting in a room, आपके साइड पे 4 वॉल्स दिखाई दे रही हैं. 4 वॉल्स में से जो इधर वाली वॉल है, इसका लेंथ और उसकी ब्रेड्थ क्या है? हाइट. देखो आप अपने रूम में देखो, एक उसकी लेंथ है और जो उसकी ब्रेड्थ है, दैट इज द हाइट. In the same way, opposite one is also same. And if you talk about the front wall, as you are sitting, see your front wall, breadth is the length and height is the breadth. तो अब आप जब यहाँ पे लेंथ इंटू हाइट लोगे, उसका ट्वाइस हो जाएगा. ब्रेड्थ इंटू हाइट लोगे, उसका ट्वाइस हो जाएगा. So that will be 2LH plus 2BH. Take 2H common, that will be 2L plus B into H. That is curved surface area. Another one is total surface area. This you have to learn. Total surface area, in which you will add all the four walls plus area of the base and area of the ceiling. So you will write here twice of LB plus BH plus HL. Next thing is volume. Volume is L into B into H. All will be multiplied. Please draw this figure and note down these things so that we can start with the another formula. Now next is your cube. For the cube, you will draw one square. You will again draw a square. You will join their corners. That will give you cube. Okay. Now, you will find the curved surface area. Yes, listen to me. Cube is a special type of a cuboid whose length, breadth and height are same. ठीक है, क्यूब इज अ स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ ए क्यूबॉइड whose length, breadth and height are same. आपने इसका फॉर्मूला किया था twice of length plus breadth into height. एक मिनट नोट मत करना, पहले सुन लो. मैंने आपको बोला इसकी लेंथ, ब्रेड्थ और हाइट सब सेम है. ए सारी जगह ए है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे लेंथ भी ए है, ब्रेड्थ भी ए है, हाइट भी ए है. ए प्लस ए क्या हो जाएगा 2a. ए प्लस ए क्या हो जाएगा 2a. 2 2s are 4. a into a is a square. So this we have got as formula. Is it okay? So cube is a special type of cuboid whose length, breadth, height are same. Is it okay? Now, can we derive the same formula for this also? Twice of LB plus BH plus HL. This is A into A. This is again A into A. This is A into A. So this will give you A square plus A square plus A square. That will be 3A square. That is 6A square. Any doubt, beta? Any doubt how we have got this formula? Actually, you have to learn the formula, but if you will see how we are getting this, that it will be much more easier for you. Now, the same is the volume LBH. A into A into A. What is this? A cube. So this is the volume. Note down these formulas of cylinder. Yes, Akul.
मैम लेटरल सरफेस एरिया कर्व सरफेस एरिया ही होता है।
हाँ जी, लिखो, नोट लिखो बच्चे। लेटरल सरफेस एरिया एंड कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया आर सेम। Yes, any doubt? Now, you can see the first question of 11.3. First question is, there are two cuboidal boxes as shown in the figure. I have not written the total surface area of this. We can write later on if the question was there in the exercise, then only we will discuss. Otherwise, no need. Do you have any doubt, Arish? You want to tell the answer? Okay. There are two cuboidal boxes whose dimensions are given length, breadth, and height. Both have different length, breadth, and height. Which box require the lesser amount of material? अच्छा देखो इधर, बॉक्स बनाने के लिए कितना मटेरियल चाहिए? अब बॉक्स का जो आउटर सरफेस है, that is made up of the cardboard. So that means you will find the total surface area. आप देख रहे हो ना, बॉक्स जो है that is entirely made up of the cardboard. So that means you are going to find here the total surface area of both the boxes. So the first box is having length 60, breadth 40, and height 50. So let's find the total surface area. Total surface area, that is 2LB plus BH plus HL. पूरे बॉक्स को बनाने में आपने गिफ्ट रैप किया, आपने पूरे बॉक्स के साइड पे कलर्ड पेपर से कवर कर दिया. जो शीट थी कलर्ड वो पूरी कवर कर रही है उसको. दैट मीन्स यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द टोटल सरफेस एरिया. लेंथ is 60, breadth 40, height 50 into 60. Multiply this, 2400 plus 2000 plus 3000. Now multiply, add them all. 5, 6, 7, 7400, 14800 centimeters square. This is the material required to make the first box. Okay. Now in the same manner you will get the material that is to be used to find the material required for the second box. Second box के लिए I am writing capital LBH to make them different. Length 50, breadth. अच्छा ये क्या है? ये क्या है? इसकी लेंथ, ब्रेड्थ, हाइट सब सेम है. ये क्या है? क्यूब. ये क्या है? इट इज नॉट अ क्यूबॉइड, इट इज क्यूब. क्यूब है ये. तो ए आपके पास गिवन है 50. इज इट ओके? नाउ फाइंड द टोटल सरफेस एरिया. दैट इज 6A square. Yes, what is 50 sphere? 50 into 50, 2500. What you will get? ठीक है? Is it so? Centimeter square. Which boxes require less material? Cuboid require less material. Is it okay? The time is over. See you in the next class. Take screenshot of the solution. And the introduction that we have discussed today that you are going to write in your fair notebook. Have a good day.